Hey guys, welcome to NIBU TECH, and today in this video I'm going to show you what's inside a 9-volt battery. And let's begin. Okay, so I have this many batteries, and from this battery I'm going to take one and remaining I will keep it aside. And all these batteries are empty, and please don't try to open and see what's inside an empty 9-volt battery. I don't know, it's very dangerous. I don't know what will happen. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to open this. So let's start from here. And the outer covering of this battery is zinc. Okay, we have almost reached. So I'm going to take this positive and negative charging thing. So after taking this, okay, 1 minute. Okay, now time to pull it out. It's really hard, man. Okay, I pulled this from its backside, and many boxes came out. Just see this, one remaining, and this many boxes came out. And just see what's inside this box. And we have taken the outer cover of this 9-volt battery, that is zinc. And well, let's see what's inside this boxes. Wait a minute. So I'm going to take a scissor to cut the plastic of this box. Okay. So I took the outer plastic cover, and it is sticky by some gums. I took the outer cover, this plastic, and now it's very sticky. I'm going to remove each boxes in different parts. So, and do you know what's these boxes and what's inside these boxes? This is copper. I'm sorry, carbon, not copper. This is carbon, and this is inside. Then do you know what's inside this? Carbon. Carbon is inside this. I'm going to show that. Just see this. Okay, so carbon is inside this. Just see. Okay, today's video has been finished, and the zinc and this is carbon. If you like this video, press the like button, and if any suggestions, comment it, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Stay home, stay safe.